Hello everybody, Clovis here with UNAS Technology LLC. So today we're going to talk about an object inside an object. So it is possible to create an object that contain another object. For example, we have two classes here, first house and second house. But you can see actually we have another class here name inside, which is inside the scope of second house, and we're actually creating its objects inside the scope also of second house. So this object is inside the scope of this class. So once we want to create an object of this class type as we did here, so it means we're also creating directly the object of inside class, since this object it's declared inside this class. So if we do like third object show your contents, which is this method, eventually it's gonna call this method. But how can we do something between these objects? We're gonna see about it. Let's first make sure this is running and let's print it. So you say I have nothing, exactly what we have here. So now let's add third object that inside. Oh, we cannot access it. Why? Oh, we know why, because this is private. Let's make it public, and now let's try in object. There we go, and then we do print from inside, so we can access the in object, which is this one, just with that, and so that we can also access this method, which is inside the scope of the inside class, because this object inside is in the type of inside class. So let's run it. We're gonna see if it's gonna print. Let's change, maybe let's do from inside. Let's see if it's gonna do something. We're gonna get the results. So you can see the first one is I have nothing, and then now it's printing from inside. So because here system printer is called from inside the print from inside, so this method here, that's it. So we can have an object inside an object and then do a lot of stuff with it. That's it.